What is up, YouTube? How you guys doing, man? For y'all that don't know me, my name is Reese, bro. So here's the deal. I'm basically just gonna break down what this channel is about and like what is my goal. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go get into it, bro. Like we just gonna cut straight to the chase, bro. I day trade now, or at least I'm trying to get into it and learn more about it. With this channel, bro, I'm basically gonna be documenting my trading journey from zero to however much I can make from trading, bro. My goal is a meal. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're trying to be a millionaire. I'm trying to be a millionaire, but yeah. If you guys are interested in this journey and want to follow me or just see me complete the goal, be sure to just subscribe and don't freak out of here, bro. Freaking that. Anyways, just be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, bro. Join the freaking journey with us, bro. Right now, what I'm doing is right now I'm trying to figure out like what interests me more. Oh yeah, let me break it down. The trading I'm doing is Forex trading. Forex trading is like just trading currency pairs. Whole bunch of more people on YouTube can explain this a lot better than me. So go do your research and whoop the whoop. You know what I'm saying? Find out what's going on. I already have an account. I've been doing it for about 2 weeks now. And I started off with 100. And right now, currently, my account is sitting at $416, bro. $416. Focus. Alright. I'm not in a trade right now, so it's sitting still. But if I am in a trade, you will see how it would look then. Okay. So boom. Let me tell y'all what I'm looking at this week. Right now, we're looking at Euro USD. That's the Euro versus the US dollar. So today's Sunday. The market just opened back up. Okay. So everything is fresh, brand new. I'm not able to tell or predict, you know, how everything gonna move until a day later. That's just how I work. A lot more people better than me at this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not tripping, bro. As we go on in this journey, the more y'all gonna understand, the more I'm gonna understand, and the better I'll be able to explain everything to y'all. So just bear with me, enjoy the ride, bro. We gonna have one heck of a journey. The goal is to reach a meal, bro. If I can reach 100K, I can obviously reach a half a meal. If I can reach a half a meal, I can reach one meal. Okay, so you know what I'm saying, we gonna grind out, we gonna put our head down, we gonna be consistent. I want to upload a video every week for the market and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Because the market closed on the weekends and open all week. I'm gonna be doing this at work, I'm gonna be doing this at home and at the gym, everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, bro, this right here, the Euro versus USD, is looking kind of good to me. I'm expecting it since it hit a little resistance right here. It didn't come back down for this support, so I'm gonna assume, and this is the area of interest too, because boom, right here, you can see that this is some resistance. It went back down for a retest, and it broke through that. But it also hit this resistance level, and it broke through that support level right there, and the support right here broke back through this. So now it's going off of support right here. So I'm expecting it to shoot up to the upside. You know what I'm saying? I'm expecting it to go up. So that's why I got this arrow right there like that. If I'm wrong, bro, and if y'all know what y'all doing, please correct me. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to learn. I don't know 100% what I'm doing. I'm still fairly new to this. I've been doing it for 2 weeks now. Two weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. And hey, I feel like I'm doing pretty good so far. You know what I'm saying? I turned 100 to goddamn $416. You know what I'm saying? So what can I be doing wrong? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, bro. So back to it. The next pair that I'm gonna be trading this week is bro, the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. You know what I'm saying? So boom, let's explain it right here. Wait, whoa. Yeah. Okay, so boom, let's see what I see. Okay, so boom, I see here, this is my support area. All of this right here is supporting. It kind of broke through a little bit right there, but it's still supporting. You know what I'm saying? It went back up, support. It broke through this resistance area. See, this is where it resisted at. You know what I'm saying? But it broke through there. You know what I'm saying? It calmed down. It consolidated a little bit, and it broke through. But right now, it's hitting this support area. But it came back right here, right? I mean, I really don't have an area of interest right here. But I don't know. Something just telling me, bro. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. But right here, when I go to the 1 hour time frame, I can see that right here is where it resisted, right? So I'm gonna draw my little box right here. Boom. It resisted right there and it went down, right? So I'm expecting it to do the same thing. It resisted resisted right here, and it's heading back down to the downside. That is why, you know what I'm saying, I put it to the downside. So I'm expecting it to go through this, to break through that, retest, head to the downside. I could be wrong, but if I'm wrong, correct me if I analyze that wrong, bro. And if you know what you're doing, if you're experienced, let me know. All right. Now these last three right here is pretty I'm not sure yet. You know what I'm saying? So damn, my arm getting tired, bro. Golly. Oh. Okay, so last week I took this trade right here, and that's where I got to $416. That trade right here, this heads and shoulder pattern, when it hit this area right here, and it started to reject right there, and it went to the downside, bro. That was my first time seeing $115 something in one trade, bro. I was like, yo, they go hard, bro. They go crazy, dude. So I started liking it, bro. This is when I took that trade because of the heads and shoulders, the heads and shoulder pattern. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's that. But right now, I'm not really sure. I'm still expecting. I want it to come all the way back down, retest right here, and then go to the upside. But then, like, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's consolidating like it did right here in this area right here. You can see, hold on. You can see right here where it took a little while to have that break to the downside. But right here, everything gets bullish. So, like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, like, it could either go up or down, bro. So, we just going to be patient. We're going to wait for an entry. Not even an entry signal, but like a confirmation. Because all of this right here it's not making sense to me right now. So, I'm going to just be patient and wait for something right there. USD CHF. Bro, what the freak? Hold on. So, it's this bird. It's this bird that visits my window every single day. Like, what if that's a sign for something, bro? What birds do? Birds singing, flying around. You never see them too long on the ground. You want to be one of them. Bro, you want to be a bird, bro. Just, dude, I'm telling you right now, bro. Like, real stuff. Be a bird, man. Fly high. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. Back to it. Okay. USD CHF. We got support and resistance. Resistance and support. Whatever you want to call it. It resisted up here. Support. Resist. Support. We had a breakthrough right here. And then we came back down to this same support area. And we resisted right here. So, what I want to say is, it'll probably, like, if it's a support area, it's going to probably make another break. Because this low key is a heads and shoulder. Is it? Hold on. Let me see. Let me grab this. And let me switch this too. It's a heads and shoulder, brother. Hold on. Bro, it's a heads and shoulders. Right? Am I right? Bro, am I right? Let me know down in the comment below. Like I told y'all, bro, I'm still learning. We gonna find out together, y'all. We gotta find out together, bro. But yeah, that look like a heads and shoulders right here. So like, if this is there, I'm expecting it to maybe like have a breakthrough, like cause it had this retest right here, and it's probably gonna have a breakthrough. So we just gonna set that like that just to so that we can keep an eye on it. Yeah, we just gonna wait on this, and then a very last one for this week is NZD/USD. This don't really make sense to me right now. I'm just waiting until tomorrow to look at it again. It's not really clear to me right now, so I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna play my. I'm gonna try to play my cards right. You know what I'm saying? If we just put our mind on something, we can do it, bro. Like that's just facts. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no way around it, man. Like if you take care of yourself and put your mind to something and really stay dedicated to it and work towards it, bro, ain't no way around it. You will be successful. That's just simple. But anyways, bro, Alex G, he is my mentor. I look up to him. He inspires me, and whenever I need some kind of advice or whatever, I'm gonna go to him. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's not 101, his YouTube channel is all I need for right now until I can just get one-on-one time with him. With all that being said, bro, I'm in the gym. I'm fit. I work. I'm trying to move up in the world. Day trading. Even throughout this journey with the zero to just Reese to riches journey, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm even starting a freaking a business. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Also, this channel is just not for only just day trading. Y'all will see a bit of lifestyle, my lifestyle or whatever. Y'all will see. It'll be like a little vlog type thing. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned for that, bro. Y'all in for a nice treat, bro. I hope y'all enjoy this series, bro. If y'all just be expecting more than 30-minute videos, bro, because I'm gonna be recording throughout the whole entire week. So like, yeah, that's gonna be a long video at the end of every week. So like, that's that. I'm thinking about uploading every Sunday, maybe. We're gonna get into the rhythm. So y'all stay tuned for that. There you go. Damn, where did it go, bro? Birdie. Little birdie. Oh, that's my view right here. Love it. You got to love it. All right, so right now it's 2:40 in the morning. It's 2:40 in the morning. I just woke back up just to take a glance at the market. Right now, a few pairs is looking like it's going my way, just how I expected it to. So I'm gonna just show y'all this real quick before I gotta get up for work in the morning. So starting off, Euro USD. Remember I was saying that I was expecting it to when they hit this resistance, it'll bounce off their support area and it'll go up. That's exactly what I drew on my chart right here. Well, it still has an hour. It still have an hour and 18 minutes to close. If this candlestick right here closes above this resistance level, I will be expecting it to continue to go up, come back for a retest, and hit this support level and go all the way back up. You know what I'm saying? So once it do come back for the retest and it shows that it's going to continue to go up, that's where I would enter this trade for the Euro USD. This is my main trade for this week. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking at. The second one is GBP USD. It did not have the pull down like I expected it to. This was totally wrong. You know, so what I was expecting it to do was once it hit that resistance area right here, even though I have no kind of area of interest right here, because that's the very first resistance, the very first time it's showing resistance in this area. So that was a bad call right there from the jump. So I was expecting it to hit this area right here and have a pull down and have a break right here and retest and go to the downside, but it did not do that. So currently it had a break and it's on the way to the upside. So I'm gonna take this out because I was wrong, and we just gonna see what that's gonna do. USD JPY is doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. is creating the heads and shoulders. It's looking good for right now. I am about to go back to sleep and wait until, you know, I get to work and enter a trade whenever this have a retest, have that retest right there, and then shoot up to the upside. So just stay tuned and y'all will see me in my uniform. I made it to work. I finished pretty much what I needed to do this morning for right now. It is currently 6:55 in the morning, Monday morning. I'm still sitting at $416, right? So Euro USD. Last night I woke up around 2 a.m. to catch a peek of what was going on, and I anticipated that we was gonna have a drawback for a retest in this area, and after that retest, it's just gonna shoot back up. We're gonna be patient and we're gonna wait for that confirmation. Also, this I'm gonna be interested in getting into this if it show me what it's gonna be doing. I'm expecting it to have some support from right here and going to the upside. If I see anything close underneath that, then I'll be in for sales. Oh, what the boom, this. Okay, USD CHF, we having a little confirmation right there. Remember I was saying that it was either gonna show some support or it was gonna break that area of interest, and it looked like it's breaking. So I'm gonna be expecting it to come back up for a retest and head on down to the downside. So that's another one that I'm gonna be interested in getting in this week if something else go wrong. So anyways, these trades looking good for right now. Y'all will see me back whenever we get back to the station. We gotta go do our regular daily routine, and we'll be back at the station soon. So y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe, and that's it. Reese the riches, baby. All right, y'all boys. Market update or whatever the freak. All right, so currently it is 10:45 a.m. Market looking good, just as we expected, bruh. Just as we expected, man. Okay, so boom. Don't mind the noise in the back. We got folks crashing out in this joint. All right, we still at $416. Okay, not in the trade yet. We're waiting for just the confirmation for this to close. We got an hour and 14 minutes left. All right, once this close above this, then I'll go in for the buy. All right, we can see we had a little support right here. Damn, if I can get it to focus right there. Boom, right there. It went down right here and it just bounced right back up. So boom, that's kind of my confirmation right there too, that it's just gonna use that area of interest as a support, and it's just gonna go up to the upside. But we're gonna wait until that close. Same thing for USD CHF. We had it hit resistance right there. Now it's on the way to the downside. See, it broke that area of interest. It went up for a retest. It did not go up. Same thing happened. Yeah. So them the two right there that's looking good to me for right now. The other ones just they just taking time, bro. You know what I'm saying? So these what I'm gonna be looking at for this week, or for right now, for today. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gonna wait until this close, and then I'm gonna enter the trade. All right, peeps. Right now I am back at the station. You know what I'm saying? Just checking the market, and it look like it's going in our favor for right now. At least for right now. I ain't gonna get too excited. You know what I'm saying? I'm just confident in my trade though. So right now it is currently 157. But anyways, bro, I did place myself in the trade, so I am in the market right now. My account is currently sitting at $433, bro, and we $17 in profit for right now. I got into the Euro USD. We see that it had that rejection right there, and now it's heading its way up to the upside. So hopefully it's gonna keep going into our favor, and we're gonna keep making money. You know what I'm saying? we're gonna go bit by bit and just scale the account or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? This week I should be looking at about $400, bro, in profit. So my whole account should be in like $800, no cap. Cause last week I made like 200. So this week I'm aiming for $400 in profit. I'm just doubling my account the more I go. So right now, yeah, that's what we looking like for right now. And we chilling. We doing good so far. So far so good. So far so good. Once this candlestick close, I'm gonna place another position and see how it go, bro. So y'all just stay tuned. Keep doing what y'all doing. Stay positive. You want to say a message, bro? What you want to say, bro?
Get out. Let me know it's on me. Get out of these stocks.
What?
Place you a parlay. $25 can change your life. It can be 1,000. Get out of stocks. They don't help. This on Dickerson. He's a testimony to all this.
It's not stocks, bro. It's not stocks, bro. Anyways, man. Yeah, that's how we looking right now. For right now. So my intro video, I gotta redo my intro video because I had a nice idea of what I'm gonna do and how to properly do it. I'll just do a whole nother intro video, you know, for y'all, and yeah, we're gonna work from there. But with that being said, bro, we're gonna check back once this candle close and see what we gonna do afterwards. All right, y'all. So we finna get ready to do PT. PT meaning like just work out. Go do a 1.5 mile run, maybe some turnout drills and stuff like that, and just keeping our body in shape type stuff. Ain't that right, bro?
Get some electrolytes.
Get some electrolytes. Gotta get them electrolytes in. But yeah, man, we finna go over here to the track and run.
One-on-one crash out.
And kill ourselves in this heat. That's what we finna do, huh? So fast forward a few hours later, after training, after running a few calls, after doing everything we needed to do, we out here in a G-Raj, eating fucking military food.
I ain't gonna lie, I would have been died of starvation by now. Trying to get ready.
Is it good?
That's your straight. That been tart.
Got to hit that bit.
So gotta get that. Ooh, that not made.
That been tart, baby.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that been tart.
Damn.
I love tart Gatorade, bro. Get your piece of the steak, bro.
Let me get that. Let me get that.
What is hitting on?
That's it.
It's a good call. You ain't good.
That be gonna give you an aftershock, like.
Get your piece of steak, bro.
That's a piece of cake, dog.
Yeah, it's peanut butter.
This is what y'all eat on the crack?
Military cake. That be plain as hell.
But it ain't. I mean, it ain't nasty though.
It's not bad.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, what a food is.
I'm ready. What is that? Pizza?
It's ready?
Oh,
Damn.
Damn.
Damn. Fine. Something else.
you can feel it boiling, man.
Yes.
I feel like Twilight in it. Dum, dum. Man, who opened the freezer all the way?
Why would you fuck? It's hot.
All right, fellas. Market update or trade update, whatever the freak, my guy. We gotta see how this looking, bro. It's looking pretty slow. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's looking pretty slow. So we're just going to give a little update. We probably gonna have to hold this position throughout London session, you know, all night, and then just see and just stay up to date on it all night. But it's 10:03. 10:03, 10:03, 10:03 at night. Let me
Can I drop some wise words?
You want to drop some wise words? All right, real shit. Come on. Hold on.
In life, you may go up.
Mm-hmm.
In life, you will always go down. Remember, to always keep a frown. Put a parlay in. Take that risk. Life is about risk and chances. Never limit yourself.
Here's where we at now. Okay. Currently, my account is at $3.70. My account was just at $30, but it's having a drawdown. So what I'm assuming is that it's just having another retest at this higher low right here. If it don't pass that, then we good. It should shoot back up to the upside and go back into the uptrend. We still have 2 hours left on this candlestick, so we gonna hold it and we gonna see how it's gonna perform. If it passes this and if it get back to this area of interest, if it passes that, then I'll just have to take, it'll hit my stop loss and I'm gonna have to get out. So yeah, that's how that's looking for me. But hopefully we're gonna hold the position and see what it's gonna do around the area of interest. If it get down there, we just gonna hold the position and see. Let's see, USD CHF. Shit, same thing here. Same thing here. We can see that it was having it broke the area of interest. It went up for a little bit of resistance. For a retest, it got resistance and it started going down, but now it's on the way back up. But maybe this is the retest and it's gonna head to the downside. Same thing with the Euro USD retest up. So maybe I entered the trade a little bit too early, cause I guess I read the freaking entry signal wrong, but that's on me either way it goes. So we still just gonna hold the position and see how it turn out throughout London session. But with that being said, bro, today been a good day. We trained, we ran a few calls, we did quite a few things. What I'm about to do now is just go back here in this room and lay down so I can get some rest, because hopefully we don't get nothing throughout the night, but it's unpredictable. So I'm finna go do that, and y'all will see me in a few hours, bro. Well, literally in a snap of a finger, but for me it'll be a few hours. Grind out, baby. Rags to riches. Good morning, Rags to riches family, bro. I don't know what we gonna call ourselves, but some rags to riches, bro. All right. I just got off work, 6:30. You know what I'm saying? It's still morning. Looking good. Look at that sunrise. Oh yes, there it is. Look at that sunrise. The tree's kind of blocking it right now, but it's all good, bro. It's all good, man. But anyways, bro, last night we kind of hit a little toe. Let me get my laptop together real quick. We didn't hit a toe. We just took a little loss. That's it. And it's okay. It's fine. The market did a complete reversal on me. It did something I did not expect it to do. And that was y'all about to see right now, bro. So right now it is currently 6:48. Oh, my bad. It's currently 6:48 right now. My account is sitting at a whopping $398, bro. $398. So we took a $18 loss last night, and it's okay. It is okay. I know people would be so upset about that, but it's all right. So let me show y'all what the market did and what it's currently doing. So, of course, y'all know I was trading Euro USD, and it took a little reversal on me, which I know I should have probably still held, but I wasn't too sure, bro, because for one, last night I think it was around like 2 o'clock. No, at 1. when I was looking at this candle, bro, I was thinking like, boom, so it came down for a retest right here, and it didn't pass my area of interest. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking that it was gonna use that as support. So like I was like, okay, then I can still hold. And you know, maybe it'll keep going up to the upside. And maybe it still will. I should have waited until it hit my stop loss, but I wasn't feeling good about it. Maybe I let emotion get to me, and emotion made the decision to pull out. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do that, but hey, we all here. We here to learn, right? We are here to learn and to adapt and become better at this trading, with this trading journey and all of that, bro. It's a learning lesson. It's a learning process, and I'll pick up on things as we go. So judge me if you want right now. I'm still a rookie. I'm still kind of blind to a few things, and well, maybe a lot of things, but I'm learning, and that's what matters, bro. I am learning every single day. Like, there's no day that's gonna go by that I'm not learning anything about this, bro. So let's continue. Complete reversal. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna come down and then maybe have a retest and maybe keep going down, because here the daily the daily candlestick had turned completely bearish on me, bro. Completely bearish. The weekly candlestick is still bullish, but maybe it was just, I don't know. I really don't know, bro. I see it don't have a bottom wick, so I'm only gonna assume that it's gonna come down to make that wick and then go back up into a uptrend. Look, two cats fighting. Damn, y'all can't see it, but anywho, yeah, that's how that's looking right now. So I'm just believing that it's gonna have a complete reversal. What is looking good to me is JPY, bro. So last week I took this trade. I was looking for it to make that heads and shoulder pattern, which it did, and it's looking good. It completed it. Came here for a retest, and it's bouncing off of this for some support. So I might be entering this trade today. We're gonna see how it's gonna be looking, bro. I might enter this trade today. Maybe even after this candlestick close, bro. It closes in an hour. It closes in an hour and 4 minutes. So I'll be waiting for that, for a new candlestick to open. But yeah, that's how that's looking. I'm gonna enter this trade. I am going to enter this trade. I am entering this trade. So I just realized my camera stopped recording, but it's okay, bro, because I ain't really covered nothing. All I was looking at was the daily time frame of the USD JPY with the heads and shoulders. The daily candlestick is currently bullish. It's in the green. The weekly is currently bearish. We gonna see how it's gonna look, guys, and hopefully we reading this right and that we doing something good, bro. So if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, bro. Hey, it's okay. You win, you lose. You know what I'm saying? No hard feelings, bro. But I'm finna get ready and go in the house. I need to shower. And yeah, rags to riches, baby. Stay focused. Let's go. All right. Rags to riches, fam. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let me take these off. Dang, I'm black as heck, bro. Hold on, man. We can't be doing that. We cannot be doing that. Okay? Okay, boom. So, remember the trade I told y'all we was gonna enter. First of all, right now, it is currently 4:40, about to hit 3. My account is currently sitting at a whopping $426, and we are $28 in profit for right now. I entered this trade USD JPY. Dang, hold on. Dang, it's kind of bright. There it is. So I entered the trade right in here as soon as that candle closed. I knew I was supposed to wait when it had its drawdown, But then like I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just tired and I wasn't thinking straight, but it's okay. So this candlestick shot up, and I'm on a 4-hour time frame as well. So yeah, it took 4 hours for each of these candles to close. So this one opened, I got in instantly, and went to sleep and all that, and it shot up. This one been kind of slow. This how far it got on a bearish end, but I feel like now it's gonna have another push up. So we still have another hour and 18 minutes until this candle here close. So we just gonna be patient and see about that. So right now, this how the account looking. Remember last night we took a L on Euro USD. Let's see how that's looking now. Yeah, we would have took a huge L if I waited for the stop loss, and I'm glad I didn't. So that was a huge L avoided, but I also did lose $18 with that. So it's okay though, because we gaining more from this one, obviously. So I'm up $28, and yeah. So what I'm about to do now is finna get ready and go to the store and get some things with my girlfriend, and after that, hopefully I'm gonna try to film a new intro video because I'm not satisfied with the one I did. I feel like I know I can do better. I know my potential when it comes to this, so I know I'm gonna just do it better. And we finna get ready and do this, and we'll see you started in the country. All right, guys, I just got done filming the new intro because I wasn't satisfied with the one that I was doing already, that I had already did with this one, which y'all gonna see on this video. I'm gonna leave it in there just because, and I'm gonna upload the newer one tonight, maybe, or Sunday, next Sunday. All right, but we finna look into this trade that I'm in right now and see how's it going. It is currently 6:16 or 18:16, either one. I don't really have service out here. I'm in the country. That's why the market ain't moving right now. What the freak? Okay, I was just about to say. I was about to go crazy in here. Okay, so right now we currently sitting at $26.34. So we up just a few dollars because I did take that L earlier today. Let's go into the chart. I'm gonna let it reload, do what it gotta do. There it go. Boom, looking good. Let me turn my brightness down so y'all can see it a little bit better. As y'all know, I did enter the trade right into here. I did enter the trade early, a bit too early, because I know it was gonna have a little drawdown and then it go back up. But I was tired, which was a bad decision that I made, but it's okay. But right now we is having this little it seemed like the market is starting to slow down a little bit, but it's okay. Market is starting to slow down as the New York time is starting to close. Well, it is closed. I think New York time session closes at New York time session closes at like 6 o'clock, something like that, at least where I'm at. Nothing much really happened, but you know, it's just a game of patience. You know what I'm saying? We gotta hold our own. We gotta hold our patience. We have to be patient. That's number one. We're gonna continue to hold this position out through the night, and see how everything go. But I'm about to be on my way back home, and yeah, and edit my new video so that I can go on and upload that. All right, everybody. I just got back from the gym and just got out the shower, bro. Nice little workout. I feel amazing. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it is currently 11:44. Or I can show you right here. 11:44. You know what I'm saying? So we had a real nice productive day today. I recorded my video, well, the new intro video. We went to the gym. We dressed nice. We looked good. We felt good. We fasted for 24 hours. All that type of stuff, bro. So we did pretty good today. So I'm finna get ready and dive into this. right now, well, I'm gonna show you the market first. This is how it's looking right now. We have 14 minutes until this last candle close. So once this close, we're gonna be in a good position to keep going up to the upside. Because I zoom out and I look at this, right? Okay, so this is obviously a heads and shoulder pattern. So boom, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? I don't know why, but like when I look at this shoulder right here, the left shoulder, once it hit that this support, it just shoots up to this, you know, to create the head or whatever, and then go on a downtrend or whatever. So I feel like even though it may not create another head, it's still kind of the same movement or whatever. We shoot up, create a shoulder, and then hit this support, and it's just gonna go up to the upside. That's how I feel about this right now. I could be wrong, but I don't know. But you know, so currently, currently my account is sitting at $38 in profit just from this trade right here. So even though I entered it late, we still making pretty good profit off of it. And right now we sitting at $437. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, man, nice day today. We're gonna continue to hold this trade and see how it performed throughout the night. Maybe I'm not gonna hold it too long. The first sign I see with it going into a bearish, I will be getting out. Oh my gosh, bro. 7:44 in the morning, Wednesday. What the fuck? All right, man. I slept entirely too long. We still got 15 minutes for this candle to close. I kind of want to see what it do, but I might end up just getting out at break even, because that's how we looking. We was up $40 last night, bro. I held for too long. I should have pulled out. I should have pulled out when I saw this here. When this closed underneath that candle right here. I should have pulled out then. That's my mistake. Yeah, I should have pulled out way earlier when I saw this here break underneath this lower higher low. But damn it, it's on me, fellas. It's completely on me. I had to close this account. I mean this position, because it's not coming back to retest anything, bro. Literally, what is there to retest here? Nothing. I mean, this is a. We'll see if it reject this area. Let me zoom out at my 4 hour. All my positions are closed. It's okay though, bro. We gonna do better, either next week or tomorrow. I'm probably gonna end this week off right here, because we got the rest of today and Thursday. I don't really like to do anything on Fridays, because last time I did something on Friday, the market closed on me and my money was just stuck right there. Like I couldn't even close, I couldn't do nothing. So I don't really want to make that mistake again. All right, everybody. Today is Thursday, 7/19. It's a brand new day. So yesterday, after I lost that, had that little loss or whatever. I mean, I wouldn't consider it a loss, because it wasn't a loss. You know, I just didn't get out in time. So yeah, dang, hold on. There you go. I bet. So now I'm back at work. After my 2 days off, I'm back at work. So what I'm about to do right now is just get in the market and see what we're gonna be able to cook up for today. Damn, so I was right though, I was right. So if I would have held this position with USD JPY, I would have, it just came back down for a retest right here, and it looked like it rejected. You know, well, not rejected, it used it as support on that retest, and now it's going back up to the upside. If I was just patient and didn't let my emotions of losing get out, control my decision, then I would have been okay. But now it's all right. We took that L. We got right here. It went all the way down, so I would have been negative, and they used that for support, going back up to the upside, bro. So that's my L, bad decision that I made, and I'm not mad. I'm not mad because, like I said, I'm still new to this, and I'm still learning, bro. So what is there to it? What's to it?